Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 1 and we are here to present to you the Toyota Case Study Report based on the implementation of TQM. Total quality management would not be what it is today without Toyota Motors. Renowned for its lean production system, Toyota Motors is the 10th most important company in the world according to Global 500 and one of the only companies on the list to directly address TQM. TQM is a method by which management and employees can become involved in the continuous improvement of the productions of goods and services. It is a combination of quality and management tools aimed at increasing business and reducing losses due to wasteful practices. Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation is the largest automotive company in the country, which the widest vehicle lineup of 21 Toyota models. It has 71 dealers nationwide. The Toyota Motor Corporation is one of the world's biggest and most favorable automobile manufacturers. Also, it is the leader in environmentally friendly and technologically advanced cars.
For the implementation of TQM by Toyota, they have 4 objectives, and one of those is the extended responsibility, wherein all the employees should adopt the policy, standard, and building bricks of the company in order to have instantaneous process. When we say instantaneous, all the production of the product and services should not have a delay. They also have this Kaizen, or the incessant process development, in order to ensure that all procedures are measurable, or they can weigh in if the production costs in the process of their product are suitable. Another one is repeatable, or the good conditions from technology, ideas, and people they have is continuous. And the last one is visible, or they should see if there is a progress in the company and their product is effective in the market.
The implementation of TQM by Toyota. Toyota examined how consumers applied the products generated and this enabled the company to develop and improve its commodities. Toyota focused on the insubstantial impacts on the procedure as well as how such effects could be minimized through optimization.
Quality management in all organization management system. TQM can be summarized as a management system for a customer-focused organization that involves all employees in continual improvement. The quality management process consists of customer focus. Toyota committed to delivering the highest quality and providing complete customer satisfaction by constantly improving our products and services. Leadership. Toyota leadership model is based in teamwork, collaboration, and consensus. A leader to Toyota exists to serve the organization, not the other way around.
Continual improvement. The Toyota Corporation Vehicle Production Control System was established based on many years of continuous improvement with the objective of making the vehicles ordered by the customers in the quickest and the most efficient way in order to deliver the vehicles as swiftly as possible. System approach to management. Toyota Corporation Vehicle Production System is a way of making things that is sometimes referred to as a team manufacturing system or just-in-time or JET system.
Factual approach to decision making. Toyota Company with competition in the business world today, the quality of decision made by the manager, to a large extent, they're successful in their business. People involvement. They respect the people with or without disabilities working in sharing life and work values.
Under ng Toyota Manufacturing Quality. Nagpo-focus sila sa combination ng quality, which is nagbibigay innovation sa product nila. They also reducing losses due to wasteful practices by means of using effective management of expenditures. Para kapag sa product development at production nila, di na sila mahihirapan. Ni-examine din nila ang kanilang consumer kung paano nila i-apply ang approaches para maging successful ang company.
So what can I say about Toyota's manufacturing quality is they have the best one. because they focuses on improvement and achieving customer satisfaction, because they also prioritizes community satisfaction, especially to owners and employees. They also ensure the company's safety, company development, and commitment to business. Gumagamit din sila ng iba't ibang approaches para sa ikakaganda ng company. One of the best example ng kanilang approaches is the paggamit ng TQM implementation. Kasi in this case, day by day, or I may say year by year, they continuously improving their quality of work. So that's how Toyota manages the business. Therefore, I conclude.
The quality and speed. Of course, we as business owners, for example, want our product to be quality, to be error-free, same with if we are the customers. And to that, business owners needs to think and do something to provide their product to their customers without delay and free from error. The quality of the product. And that's when the TQM and TPS enters and implemented. In TQM, the key element is speed. It is when they need to speed up the production of the product to meet the quantity of orders from their customers. And by doing so, TPS methods comes in, where machineries will be need to improve to minimize the time of the product production but still manages to maintain the quality of the product.
So management hierarchy, or the so-called organizational structure, is a framework within which an organization arranges its lines of authorities and communications and allocates its rights and duties. So despite the hierarchy and the specification of employees, are able to make independent decisions and take corrective measures when necessary to ensure quality during production. So the highly encouraged at Toyota Corporation is team working, and it plays a significant role during TQM implementation.
Organization Management Element. Ang Toyota Production at Operation Management System ay kapareho lamang ng managerial system. Sa katunayan, sa corporation na ito, ang operational management had to do with the production process, production management, or operation. Ang managerial system, nakapulog dito ang pagdidesign ng produkto, ang pagproseso at pagplano. Gayon din ang pagkuha at pag-organize ng resources. Ang production at operation managers ay may mahalagang kampanya sa kumpanya upang matupad ang goals at objectives ng TQM implementation. The Toyota Corporation Operations Managers should be knowledgeable about the concept or issues of the TQM implementation to be able to avoid or reduce errors and also to fulfill the requirements of the customers. The objectives of Toyota Company, which is quality, speed, flexibility, dependability, and cost. They successfully meet all these objectives through its production and operation function. They come up of this Toyota production system when they realize that producing more products with limited product line and ensuring large components to achieve maximum economies of scale lead to flaws. The major objectives of TPS were to reduce costs, eliminate waste, and respond to the changing needs of the customers. The initial feature of this system was setup time reduction, and this forms the basis of TQM implementation.
Another objective during TQM implementation is dependability. This means timely working to ensure that customers get their products within the promise of time. Toyota has included just-in-time production system comprised of multi-skilled employees who work as team. The Kanban control allows the workers to deliver goods and services as promised. Advancing value and effectiveness appears to be the districts and administrators, mechanical specialists, and other Toyota human resources. Kaya naman, nangangahulugan ito na natitiyak na makuha ng customers ang kanilang mga produkto sa oras ng kanilang ipinangako.
At ang Toyota ay sinama lamang sa sistema ng produksyon, binubuo ng maraming empleyado na nagtatrabaho bilang isang kupunan o isang grupo. Within Toyota plants, this incorporates the ability to adopt the manufacturing resources to develop new models. The company is able to attain elevated degree of suppleness, manufacturing fairly tiny bunches of products devoid of losses in excellence or output. Sa panahon ng papatupad ng TQM, ang Toyota ay tumutugon sa mga hinihingi sa pamamagitan ng pagbabago ng produkto sa paraan ng paggawa ng kanilang negosyo.
Jessica Amay, I will discuss the topics of team working on Toyota Production System, or in short, TPS. What does TPS stand for Toyota? The Toyota Production System, also known as the Lean Management System, is already helping healthcare organizations provide high-quality, low-cost care, and it promises to do far more. The Toyota Production System was established based on two conceptual pillars. The first one is just-in-time, meaning making only what is needed, only it's needed, and only in the amount that is needed. And the second is Jidoka, meaning automation with a human touch. It's all about the team working on TPS. So, what makes the Toyota Production System successful? The simplest, Kaizen is the key tool that makes the Toyota Production System so effective. The word Kaizen literally means the continuous improvement. Kaizen works by the encouraging suggestions that are used to continuously make small improvement. The goal of the Toyota Production System is the main target of the Toyota production is to eliminate three key issues: the overburden, inconsistency, and waste, or it's called Muri, Mura, and Muda, respectively. In TPS, stability means the 4 M's: machinery, materials, methods, and manpower.
So we have 4 implementations. First, focuses on intangible effects. Second, broadens management concern. Third, examining the way of users applies the product. Fourth, focuses on continuous process improvement. So first implementation, focuses on intangible effect. So let's say trademark. Ano nga ba yung epekto nito sa Toyota Company? So sabihin na natin for customers. So kapag tayo nakakita tayo ng mga kotse, mga 4 wheels, kapag nakita natin yung logo nila, that's one of the trademark of Toyota Company. Doon natin nire-recognize na Toyota Company to, maganda to. So kapag sinasabi natin broadens management concern, from the word itself, broadens, in-expand nila yung concern nila not only for their company, but for those who are buying some products to them. So next, examining the way of user applies the product. So sabihin na natin, in-examine nila or sine-check muna nila kung ano ba yung in-expect ng mga customers nila sa product nila. Then next is focuses on continuous process improvement. So ito yung pinaka-the best sa kanila na in-implement nila kasi hindi lang sila nagpo-focus sa kung anong naibibigay nila ngayon, kundi nagre-research pa sila or in-expand pa nila yung knowledge nila kung paano nila i-upgrade or i-improve yung mga product nila. So we have 4 challenges. First, employee involvement. Second, social. Third, supplier relationship. And fourth, economical.
We have 4 examples of advantages. Number 1 is emphasizing market's needs or binibigyan diin ang pangangailangan ng merkado. Number 2 is continuous progress review or patuloy na pagsusuri sa pag-unlad. Number 3 is developing system of communication or pagbuo ng sistema ng komunikasyon. Number 4 is better quality performance or mas mahusay na pagganap sa kalidad. And next, disadvantages. Number 1 is time consuming. Number 2 is demand planning resources. Number 3 is expensive implementation. Number 4 is resistant to change.
Hello everyone. As you can see in the flowchart, total quality management meron siyang tatlong sangay: the Toyota Kaizen, values, and efficiencies. In the Toyota Kaizen or Kaizen meaning continuous improvement and total participation, which means the involvement and input of all employees. And also, the Toyota Kaizen, parang nature na siya ng company or parang main promotion na nila yun as a company. That's the Toyota Kaizen. Then, yung values, yun yung mga actions or characters ng employees and other bodies ng company towards sa trabaho nila. For example, commitment, improvement, or development at involvement nila sa trabaho. That's the values. Yung sa efficiencies naman, dyan napapasok yung working process ng mga nagtatrabaho. Kung paano sila magplano, yung communication sa isa't isa, yung problem solving din, tapos kung paano magbe-benefit ang lahat. Pwede rin yung pagsiset ng mga long-term or short-term goals. Kaya more on planning at working progress talaga para masabi mong efficiency ang isang company. And that's the efficiency.